Matt here with 911R on Bring a Trailer, and we have this 2002 Porsche 996 Turbo X50 car here. It has 8,800 miles on it. It's completely fresh and brand new in every way, all original paint. It's never had any flaws or accidents. We just put brand new tires on it. They're new to the car from the pictures that we took earlier, brand new Bridgestones. Inside the car, it is a full leather car. And is really nicely equipped. The seats are the sportier style instead of the supple leather, which I like more. Come around the back, you know, the technology hollow spoke wheels. It has the power spoiler that works on this car, goes up and down very nicely. Again, this is the X50, so it has the larger not larger horsepower output. Overall, the car is just as nice as it can be. We've posted lots of photos and details. Any questions, let us know. If you need a shipping quote or any help with anything, just reach out and use the contact seller button. Thank you.